Established in Bishop Auckland and manufactured and engineered in the UK, Ebac Dehumidifiers have been impressing the industry with cutting-edge technology and design since 1973. With over 40 years of experience and reputation, it is no wonder they have grown to be one of Britain's largest and most respected industry leaders in the manufacture of heat pumps, dehumidifiers and water coolers. Currently, Ebac are leading the way in hydrophilic coil design, coupling their approach with their unique defrosting system to create some of the most energy-efficient dehumidifiers available. Their range of domestic and portable dehumidifiers have been a reoccurring success in the UK, with their products assisting with everyday challenges such as the removal of humidity, therefore protecting homes from mildew and damp, relieving allergies and other physical symptoms such as arthritis in the process, and the assisted drying of laundry. Dehumidifiers UK are a preferred retailer of Ebac Dehumidifiers, a title earned through dedication to customer service and competitiveness. As such, we consider ourselves experts in understanding the needs of our customers and can advise on the suitability of an Ebac dehumidifier for your particular situation. Contact us on the details above for a personalized approach.